Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
I overheard somebody say, leave Genesis. Let him speak his mind. Why can't you call him in person and talk to him? Listen to me. Somebody that said whoever advised him would die. There's nothing I want to gain in bringing anybody down. Everybody knows I love Genesis to the core. In fact, I love him a lot. But what he said about Mama Ajayi on Sunday, I was so disappointed in Dele. In fact, I was so disappointed. I'm not here to cause any wahala or to insult anybody. But I have him on my phone. I'm going to block him right away. He's my friend. And he knows I love him very well. Èmi àti Dele Genesis ti sọ̀rọ̀ several times before now. You understand? Mama Ajayi doesn't owe any one of us anything. Olóore wa ni mama jẹ́ tá a pọ̀ gan. Tá a ṣe kíni? Tá a pọ̀ gan. Àgbàlagbà dẹ̀ ni mama. Mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé màmá tẹ́ ń wò yẹn abẹ́ ọkùnrin kan lólówó orí tiẹ̀ náà. You understand? I'm not here to drag anybody down or to praise anybody. I just want to say my mind to Dele. I really felt so disappointed in him. I would have called him in person to advise him. Because there's nothing I want to gain in bringing him down. There's nothing I want to gain. But Bíbélì sọ wípé gbogbo àìṣòdodo ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ni. Dele tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ pé yan kan wá wò ya òun, yan kan wá wò wọn pè yàwó òun. Mama doesn't owe you anything. He doesn't owe me. She doesn't owe me anything. She doesn't owe any one of us anything. That's one thing we don't know. She is a philanthropist. Olówó kọ́ ló máa ń ṣàánú, aláàánú ló máa ń ṣàánú èèyàn. Dele dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé màmá ti ṣàánú òun rí dáadáa. Màá kọ́ ló rán anybody lọ sẹ́wọ̀n. Bá a ṣe ti kọ́pọ̀ máa rìnrìn àjò ẹnìyẹn. Àdúrà tán lè fi tiẹ̀ lẹ́yìn gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ. Ó gbàdúrà fún ẹ. Oníkálùkù ló ń dorí ẹ̀ nílùú tá a wà yìí. You understand? I'm not going to say much. But I just want to give Dele, ẹ bá mi pass a message yìí sí. I want to give him 24 hours láti lọ apologize, kó reverse ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ yẹn. Èmi máa bàjà wọ́n náà, ó mẹ́mi. Èmi ò sí náà, èmi ò ṣe hypocrite. Mi dẹ̀ live fake life. Mo máa bàjà one on one. I'll go to the church and fight him dirtily. He knows me. You understand? Oh, le sọ sagbalagba bẹ́ẹ̀ push you. Sorry. Oh my God, I don't understand. Oh, oríṣiríṣi làwọn èèyàn máa sọ. But let me tell you, I know Mama can never say anything to anything going on the social media. She won't answer. She won't say anything. But tí èmi ò ń jẹ́ pó kí n jata ẹ̀yìn kí n tún sẹ́ onítọ̀hún. Dele, that is what you just did for that woman. Ẹni tó ṣe burúkú lè nílé ṣe rere lọ́la náà. She doesn't owe you what you are asking for. She doesn't owe you anything. You understand? Some people are coming here, which is surrounded by here. Listen to me. That girl, she just needed a voice that time. And I said my own. You can take it anyhow you like. A lè táyé lọ́rùn. the same girl tẹ́ ń sọ yẹn kò ṣe pé mi ì mọ́rí from nowhere à ń sọ̀rọ̀ àtọ̀ sí kí program pàápọ̀ but I'm talking about Dele today. Dele Ogundipe, you need to apologize publicly. That publicly that you hold that microphone. I don't want anybody to come in. That publicly that you hold that microphone and start saying that rubbish towards that woman. You need to hold that microphone again and said you are sorry. Anytime you sopade gumo, sopade ogumo. You understand? Please. I don't want to say much now. It's just 24 hours. After 24 hours, I will come out again. You understand? Remember, we pay Allah know our tapo. Like 95% of Nigerian gospel artists. Not to talk of other people. Ajayi. She's not her age mate. Èèyàn kan ló ń ṣe ọkọ lórí màmá yẹn. Ó kò lè lanu gbà ó. Kò sọ pé màmá ló pè wọ́n tẹ́ àmọ́ yàtọ̀ sí ìyá. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? She doesn't owe you anything. Okay, let me talk about myself. Ebi tèmi jọ́ rẹ̀ tiẹ̀. Tèmi àti ẹ̀ tó ẹ pé ìjọ́ tó ń lọ nù lé báyìí. Ó pè mí we talk. Listen, Belu bá ṣe close to all through your trials. Nígbà tí wọ́n jáde, ṣé wọ́n rántí èmi mọ́ ni? Nígbà tó fẹ́ pa àwọn artist tó fẹ́ bá ṣe Thanksgiving, ṣé mo wà nú wọn ni? Kémi wọn máa pariwo káàkiri pé ẹni tí mo ẹni tó wà lẹ́wọ̀n mẹ́ni tó sáré kiri fóun. I can't call him individually to advise him because ó ti sọ publicly pé tó bá advise òun máa kú and I don't want to die. But I will say my own. I'm not one of the people that pay or timba sọ lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ ma sọ lójú ẹ̀. Instead of me sitting down with anybody, start gossiping about him. I will not do that. I will say it to his face. And that is the reason why I summoned this courage to come out publicly. I cannot connect Dele Ogundipe privately. Ask him. Èmi àti ẹ̀ ti sọ̀rọ̀ privately several times. And I told him point blank. Even the day they are opening Mama's church, tí bá parọ́ bó Dele Bíbélì ni. Please, tó bá pili pé ìyá iṣẹ́, let's surprise him. Let's surprise her. Let's go to her church. Mo tó sọ fún màmá ní màmá náà tó fi believe pé wọn bó ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀ wọn ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́. Tí ò bá gbọ́yìn kì í nú òkè ń bàjẹ́ náà. Ó lè jẹ́ pé ntẹ́jọ́ ń jà. Do you know how many people that drag my name just because of you? Dele Ogundipe, when you are when you are in trouble. Do you know how many bloggers to mess up Urukobi just because of you? Just because I gave you my public support. I stopped talking to Bukky Jesse because of you. Even when she embarrassed my family, I didn't say a word to her. I didn't say anything. The day she started embarrassing you, I stopped talking to her. She was just a fan. I don't do my own loyalty in 99%. My own loyalty to me is 100%. When you are loyal, you are loyal. When I'm loyal to you, I'm loyal to you 100%. I don't do 99% loyalty. Everybody, to be so talk, like they knows I love you so much, and I will anybody that want to spoil your name, I will tackle the person. Throughout your trials, Dele Ogundipe, all the award that I took that very year, I dedicated it to you publicly. That I stand by Dele Ogundipe. And show me now, we are not blood. Because you didn't call me to your church for your Thanksgiving, you can move microphone. Look at the no, that's not loyalty. I still saw you in KWA's program before I left Nigeria. But seeing what you said on Sunday, I am so disappointed you. I will have called you in private. I repeat. Because there's nothing I want to get in doing this. I will have called you in private. But you said whoever called you to advise you will die. That's why I didn't call you in private. But all I just want to tell you is the same way you said that publicly in your church, please, when you are having your Wednesday tomorrow program, say it again that you are sorry to that woman. Ajayi will share it to the no, not that woman. Not that woman. She is a kind woman to anybody that pass through her table. Wants to back bear and so oh my software for shani. I've told Barayi Risojuni. No. Not even from you. Not from you, Dele. You can say it's this Christianity. Go and tell him to Elosovan pastor in Oloni Lawa. Oloni Lawa. I'm calling. That's why you can't see me being a friend to a lot of gospel artists because hypocrites don't want to know. They all live fake life. I don't live fake life. To back can die. Every man die me Tony. To back lawyers Genesis doesn't mean you should not express himself. What is he expressing? Mama owe like Kolokia family and Mama doesn't owe him anything. That's one thing you need to know. I'm not hold anything now. And it's so thorough. Get so thorough. I'm not hold anything. I'm more young. Tí ò lówó lọ́wọ́, tí ò ní nǹkan kan. Tó dẹ̀ kó wá wúwo gan nu lé ńgbà yẹn. Tó yẹ kó wá lọ kí mọ̀ sí ẹ. Tó lọ kí mọ̀ sí ẹ. Ó ṣe dárúkọ àwọn yẹn. What about kebi ma sọ pé ìwọ owó ọmọ church ẹ kan ṣùṣù jọ yẹ ó sọ pé ọmọ àlè ni kí nǹkan máa hold it against you. What are we talking about? No. You cannot ridicule that woman. She is too good, she is too kind towards humanity than you just holding a microphone to ridicule her. No. I'm not Esther Ajayi. My whole name is Lanre Teriba. But I'm close to you. I am close to Mama too. You remember how you connect back to Mama. I don't have to say this online. You remember the first million she gave to you. Genesis. Please, I don't want to talk now. I have a sorrow to do. A job. àwọn èèyàn kan wà tọ́lọ́run ti gbé sípò kan tó yẹ pé a ní láti máa fi wọ́n tayín láti máa sọ̀rọ̀ sí wọn anyhow. No. You don't disrespect elderly people just because you want your voice to be heard. O tọrọ ni John the Baptist tó fi bẹ́ orí ẹ̀ o. Please. Fún mọ̀ pé tó bá ti gbọ́rọ̀ wá sí social media. If I have other means to talk to you than this, I will do that. But you say you don't want to talk to anybody. That whoever talk to you will die. That's why I don't want to talk to you in person. It's not the maturity of that Christianity or religion. Religion not if you buy it. Religion will if you buy it. If you talk so toro say so toro si. Religion if you buy it, you won't say the truth. I'm not shame mọ̀lẹ́bí ẹ, o ṣe mọ̀lẹ́bí mi. Kí nǹkan kan ṣe mí sí àbí kí ẹ̀gbin kan máa rábá sí ká ní kí oníyà gbé àárín gbórí tiẹ̀ sí nígbà tó ń dàgé mi ọ̀rọ̀ baby mama stuff lọ́tún ló sì kí wọ́n sọ pé kí màmá ní màmá máa dá sí o tọrọ tó lè bá mi sọ ìyá Ajayi bá mi sọ ó lálé mi dànù because of that kí wọ́n náà opportunity to hold microphone kí wọ́n máa sọ sí oníyà ó lálé mi dànù ó sọ tọrọ tàbí ọmọ máa sọ fọ́mọ ó sọ sí senses mi. That doesn't mean I would disrespect her anytime. She is a mother, a kind woman, very kind to humanity. Please, I repeat it, 24 hours, correct yourself. Let people send this to you. What are you talking about? Come on, Bajagon. That's why you see me. One man me Lord and Christendom. Me Lord and Kokonu. Because hypocrites look what you know. Because you want to Fuji or any life more better. When they love you genuinely. Ó pè mí kí lọ ṣọ̀rẹ́ àwọn whiskey àwọn Davido ju gbogbo tẹ́jọ́ sọ pé ẹ̀ ń ṣe kíní church lọ. Because ẹni bára yín sòtọ́ ọ̀rọ̀. She's a mother. Mother for crying out loud. Lanre and Ajayi. Dele. No. No. Royen Poju. That word is too much than your mouth. On your do you even think Ajayi has time to operate social media? Time on church won't operate. Do you think she has that time to operate that? A woman that is so busy blessing different countries, blessing humanity. No, you should think before you say some things. When you say you are loyal because anybody can say anything. Emi ma so, emi inshallah jese. Mama Ajayi ṣe àánú fún àwa. And 95, I repeat again, quote me anywhere, 95% of Nigerian gospel artists ni Ajayi ti bless, tó ti gba life wọn kọjá, tó bless life wọn in a very big form. Fẹ́ tó bá jala jese nu wọn. Not to talk of other people from different places. People should talk to Dele, please. The man bá mi sọ lẹ́yìn ilé mọ́, ojú dọ́dọ́ ká jọ́ rẹ̀, gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọ̀nà ṣe sọ, gbogbo ò lè jọ́ rẹ̀, but you know, any day, anytime, you will say to anybody that Lanre is a loyal person. One is loyal to you. He's loyal to you 100%. I don't do 99%. But this woman you talk about now, no. It's not supposed to be from your own mouth. Because I know she has been a blessing to your own ministry. I know 100%. I don't fight for what I don't know. I don't talk about what I don't know. Tomate wa ṣe nǹkan kan kó kú díẹ̀ ká tó lọ́jọ́ kan. Èèyàn máa rore téèyàn ti ń ṣe bọ̀ ni. It's not a big thing you say in the public. There's something they call the power of microphone. Tọ́rọ̀ bá ti bọ́lẹ̀ báyìí ó ti dẹ̀yìn. Let me ṣe súnmọ́ wọ̀ kí wọ́n máa bójú wọ jẹ́. No. Wọ́n wá wòyàn bí kan, àbí wọ́n wòyàn bí kan. She doesn't kí n kó kọ́ta mi lọ sẹ́wọ̀n. Pé màmá wà wò mí. Wọ́n hó mi. Yeah. Èmi náà dẹ̀ hó wọn lẹ́ni. Wọ́n lè pè mí sí program kí n máa lọ. Mi hó wọn lẹ́ni tí. Mo dẹ̀ lè lọ. What are we talking about? Please. I know you people don't like the truth, but I'll say my own. You can take it any how you like. Send it to him. 24 hours. They need to apologize to that woman publicly again. You know, keep fojú olóore gungi. You bá ní tó wà lẹ́wọ̀n kò mẹ́ tó sáré kiri fóun náà. Please. Shouldn't be that woman. Please. What if you first saw him? We did that to add the queue. I became by a cocoa. Oh, she buruku see me. But this one you did? No. Please. Correct yourself in time. From different people. And the me to your kusoro sagbalagba. I better. Facebook to internet to your page jatini. You know about baby one be as be about bashu. Please. The fẹ́ gbàdúrà fún ẹ tó bá já sàsí ni ibi tá sàsí yẹn ti wá padà síbẹ̀. O tí ó bá ń já sàsí, please clear your eye and do the needful. Apologize in time. Thank you.